Remove the mast connecting bolts. Remove the bolts at the plate and take off the plate. Take the mast out of the iron tray. Lay the mast flat on the ground, and place it with sleepers for protection, to avoid damage caused by knocking. After retying the spreader, lift the mast and assemble it with the forklift body. When hoisting, be sure to tie each stage of mast for hoisting. Tighten the bolts at the connecting plate of the mast to complete the connection between the mast and the forklift body. Clip the mast support shaft into the base, assemble the fixed seat, and fasten the fixing bolts at the same time. Remove the upper oil pipe protection plate and the front sealing plate. Take out 5 hydraulic oil pipes and install them one by one, according to the numbers marked on the oil pipes. Find 2 connectors and plug the corresponding connectors tightly, according to the marked numbers.